I'm Lynetta Stiltner, family physician at Bowling Green Medical Clinic. I went to undergrad at University of Pikeville and did my medical training at University of Pikeville School of Osteopathic Medicine. As a family physician, we treat everything. So we treat the patient as a whole. I treat my patients with respect. I have them involved in their care. I would treat them like I would any of my family members on how they should be treated, with respect and caring. I wouldn't have it any other way. The one thing I love about being a family physician is that I get to treat patients their entire life, from childhood on. I want to thank my patients for the opportunity to be their physician and to care for them when they're at the worst.